Carlito from CLITZ Motorized bike. So I'm gonna share with you guys about the Zebra 80 Firestorm gas engine kit. So I'm gonna share you about what's inside. The heads, rods, everything is gonna be fine out here. So let's see this one. First, I'm gonna take out the heads. Okay. So let me take out the head. This is the cylinder head. So we remove the cylinder head. And let's see. You see, there's lock washer or lock washer with this 1/8. Okay. With a nut, head nuts. Let's put this one aside from here. And they have aluminum gasket. These aluminum gaskets to seal the cylinder head and the bore. Okay, so let's put this one aside from here. This is the intake of the carburetor. This one, we're not gonna remove it. Let's see this one. Okay, we're gonna pull out this. Okay, so it seems like fine to me. There's some little bit things that's a little bit light, and it's quite good. Okay, to give you exactly the measurement of these heads, like piston. The piston. Okay. The piston is 44 millimeter. Okay, it's a 44 millimeter piston. Okay, so we'll put this one inside. Okay, the bore itself. A 44 millimeter also. Okay, make sure Zebra Firestorm Zebra 80 two-stroke engine. They have a 44 diameter, 44 millimeters. So 44 millimeters inside and 44 millimeters of the piston. Okay. So exactly 44 millimeters. So we are gonna pretty sure the bore has a 44 millimeters and the piston is a 44 millimeters. The long of the piston, the height of the piston. So you're gonna see this one. Looking at this on top. All of them are 44 millimeters. So 44 millimeters, the diameter is 44 millimeters, and the bore is 44 millimeters. Don't get any 45 or 47. So don't go like this. So there's a lock in this inside. If I'm gonna show you. Okay. There's a small lock in between. See? In the pin. One here and one here, one in the left. Okay? So the gasket will be here. Okay? The gasket on the bottom is the gasket between the crankshaft and also the piston pin and connecting rod. So there's a piston pin here with a bearing also. So there's two types on this. They have bearing inside, like a bearing like this, or the bushing type. The bushing type is like a bronze bushing. Okay, so let's see the CLITZ. Let's look like. Let's see what it got inside. Okay, you just open this. There's a gasket also. Make sure the gasket will not tear apart. Just careful. Just see, there's a gasket inside, in between on this. So see, okay. So make sure the gasket will not tear apart, so you can use it. So now, make sure, and this one will be tight properly. Okay, see here. Okay. The CLITZ, there's a lever here which is releasing the CLITZ. You can see it's releasing. When it's released, meaning the engine will not be engaged. As soon as this one release, there is a multiple function inside the CLITZ. So if it is released, it will touch to the flywheel, and the flywheel has the pad like CLITZ pad, you know. So it will be together. Regarding to piston, it will be when the engine is running. So this one will engage and it will run. Otherwise, if you press the CLITZ, it will run, but this will not coming. See, it will not engage. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, just remove this. This bolt is very tiny bolt. Okay, so make sure don't lose it, because it's hard to find this kind of bolt. Okay, so let's put this one inside in here. So let's do this one. To remove this bolt engaging the CLITZ, it's a flower nut. Okay, just press this one, press and release by your hand. Okay. Okay, when you press this one, it will release. Okay. Okay. Now, there's a spring here and the multiple CLITZ assembly inside. Okay, so this is the pad. Okay, this is the flower nut, and this is the spring inside. So this is the CLITZ plate. Okay, make sure it's clean, everything before you put it back again. So this one you can remove it one by one. Okay, so this is new. I want to clean it because there are some small piece that you need to check before you install the engine. Okay, to make sure everything was okay, everything is in proper before you install the engine on the bike. See, there's a lot of things you need to remove because the manufacturer doesn't care about this. Okay, so that's why we need to open. We need to open this before we install, because I want to make sure the pin is intact. Okay, this one will not be inside and it comes out here, the engine is going to be destroyed and damaged. Okay, so I want to take it out on this one. Let's see if this one is okay. So it's all intact, so it means they are inside. They are good. Okay, so see, there's a lot of small piece we need to remove. Okay, see? It's not very easy. Okay, there's a grease already with manufacturing. The manufacturers put the grease inside. There's a grease also here because of that. So we need to remove this and put this in here. So guys, I just want to share you, okay, these things before you need to install this. You need to check it out, everything. Piston ring, connecting rod, also the cylinder and the cylinder head, and the clutch assembly. Okay, to make sure this one is all intact before you install the engine and run it, okay, to your bike. So guys, I'm gonna put it back again with some oil on it, and already having grease, and I check it out already. Just put a little bit oil before we put back again, and try to make it seal properly, tight it up properly so there's no any leak from the bottom, and also in the middle of the cylinder head and the board. Okay, so there's a gasket here. So we need this gasket. We need to seal it up on the top of this. Okay, make sure there's no leak. Okay, the compression is in here in the top of the cylinder head. Okay, the compressor is here in the board. Okay, so don't need to be leaked. There's no leak on the top, there's no leak on the bottom. Okay, so now on, this is the only one I want to share with you, how to open it, and how to open it in the same that you put it back. Okay, so I hope you like it. And Z80, so it's been open, and how to check it out before you install the engine and run it. Okay, so I hope this one will gonna help with you guys. Okay, Firestone Z80 gas engine kit, 2-stroke. Okay, so thank you very much for your watching, and I hope you have some knowledge, or get some knowledge to open it, to replace it up. Okay, so that's it. And the next video, you're gonna watch the video. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna make the video again to install this, and hopefully this one will gonna be we'll see how it goes, how it's run, the maximum run, kilometers per hour that we can make it. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so bye for now. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be safe.